Let's talk about how to write a business plan. Step number 1, executive summary. This is basically a brief overview of your business plan. It should include your company's mission statement, a brief description of your products or services, an overview of your target market, and your goals and objectives. The key is to keep it concise and to the point. After all, you don't want to bore potential investors with too much information. Step number 2, market analysis and opportunity. A market analysis is basically a report on the current state of the market that your business will be operating in. This includes things like an overview of your industry, an examination of your target market, and an analysis of your competitors. The opportunity part of the equation refers to the potential for growth in your chosen market. This step in the business planning process is important because it helps you to understand the risks and challenges involved in starting your business, and it also gives you a chance to identify any potential areas of opportunity. Without a comprehensive market analysis, it would be very difficult to write a business plan that accurately reflects the current state of the market and the potential for growth. Step number 3, execution plan. This step includes outlining the operational, development, and management aspects of the business. The operational plan details how the business will function on a day-to-day basis, including responsibilities, processes, and procedures. The development plan outlines the goals and objectives of the business and how they will be achieved. Finally, the management plan sets forth the policies and procedures that will be used to manage the business. Step number 4, marketing plan. The marketing plan is where you determine who your target market is and how you're going to reach them. You'll need to consider things like your budget, your objectives, and what methods of marketing are most effective for your industry. If you're not sure how to create a marketing plan, there are plenty of resources available online, or you could even hire a marketing consultant to help you get started. But however you do it, make sure you put some serious thought into your marketing strategy. It could make all the difference between success and failure. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Step number 5, financial history and projections. This is where you'll need to take a close look at your past financials if you have them, and make realistic predictions about your future income and expenses. This can be a challenge, but it's essential in order to get a clear picture of your business's financial health. This step is about providing transparency and building trust with potential investors. The key is to be honest about your past financial performance and to provide realistic projections for the future. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.